So today I am gonna make slime blindfolded. Ryan, say hi. Hi. You haven't seen him like in a million years. Look at him. Look at his cute case. So today we're gonna make slime blindfolded. Oh my god. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. Let's go. So I'm blindfolded and I cannot see anything. Like literally, my eyes are closed. So yeah, I have no idea. And the reason I have a little bit of glue. I have a little bit of glue. My brother was like crying that I want glue, so yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more because to make it fair. So I'm just gonna find the glue. Okay, this is shaving cream. That's detergent. Where's the glue? This is Ryan's head. Found it. So now, Ryan, can you move? Oh my gosh. So I'm sorry about that. I just need to find a bowl. There we go. Ryan, do you want to pour it? Here, you pour it. So I'm sorry, guys, but he wants it a little. Okay, he poured it, I think. I'm not sure. Now I need to find the shaving cream. There we go. Okay, now shaving cream time. Is this the bowl? Yep. Is it coming in? Is it coming in? Is it in here? No! Okay, is there some? And then Ryan's gonna mix it. I got some outside. No, did I? No, I don't think so. Did I get some? I have no idea. Is there some outside? It's like a guessing game. Okay, Mom, can you get Ryan out of the video? Okay, so now we're gonna add some detergent. This is the hardest part. So it gotta be exact. I mean exact. So, oh my gosh, this is really hard. Ignore why it's pink detergent, because I had a pen and my brother put it in the detergent, so I'm going to put it somewhere up here. I don't know, is it coming?
Oh yes! Oh yes!
I hope it's not.
Come on, Mary.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes still. Ryan, this is the best video ever. I think I got some. Yes, I got some. Okay, so now we're just gonna find the bowl. There we go. And we're gonna pour the detergent. Where's the mixing to it? Is this the mixing to it? Yes. Is it coming together? I don't know. Where's the detergent? Oh, there we go. Where's the lid? Okay. So what I like to do is I like to take the lid so I don't have a lot. Oh gosh. No. Okay, I don't know if I think I added too much. Yeah. But it's coming together at least. It's coming together. This is really good slime, actually. Whoa, this is good. So here we go. Making slime blindfolded. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the funniest video ever, guys. I mean, I think the grand finale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Ryan, can you do this? Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.